How to share FaceApp photos to Instagram or Facebook. Ready to show off your stunning FaceApp edits? Here's how to share your FaceApp photos directly to Instagram or Facebook in just a few taps. First, open FaceApp and apply your favorite filters, whether it's a new hairstyle, a smile, or a full AI glow-up. Tap on Apply once you add the effect, then tap on Save as the photo is already saved to gallery. Now in order to share it, tap on the share icon. It looks like a square with an arrow pointing up. It's usually in the top right corner. Tap on it. Here a menu will pop up with sharing options. From here, select Instagram to post to your feed or story, or Facebook to share it with your friends. From here, tap on Instagram. Now if you want to share it on your Facebook, simply scroll to here until you see Facebook. Here you can see Facebook and tap on Facebook. Now you can share it on your feed, story, or groups. Simply tap on story and share it to your story. And that's it. You are now ready to share your FaceApp transformations directly to your socials and let the reactions roll in. If this tutorial helped, give it a like, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment. Which platform do you share to most, Instagram or Facebook?